In restaurant Tapiando in Valencia, we again sampled some pinchos.
Ik denk dat dit met garnaal is.
You serve yourself and pay according to the number of sticks used. Many people think that paella comes from Spain. It does come from Spain, but from the Valencia region. And we're sitting here in the restaurant La Riua, the river, to eat original Valencian paella. The name paella comes from the Valencian word for frying pan. And it's a wide, shallow pan used for making the paella on a large open fire. The original Valencian paella consists of chicken and rabbit, rice yellowed with saffron, garafon and some beans. We visited the Café de las Horas to try the famous Agua de Valencia. Typical orange drinks that cannot be missed when you're in Valencia is Agua de Valencia. It's a delicious but dangerous cocktail. It contains 3 kinds of alcohol: gin, vodka and cava. And it's very sweet and it drinks away like lemonade. So it's a dangerous drink. Salud! Horchata is a very popular drink in Valencia. It's a drink that looks like milk, but it's made of chufas, the tiger nuts. It also contains water, and you can drink it with or without sugar. It's lactose and gluten-free, and lots of vitamins and minerals, and very refreshing. And cold. Most of the time, an horchata comes with an faton. It's a sweet pastry that you can dip in the horchata. It's the perfect combination, I think. Faton polo. Muy bien. If you like this video, subscribe to our channel and watch the next video.
Dream
Explore and
and travel with us.